AirPods Pro 3 feature Find My integration with precision finding via the U2 chip, offering accurate location tracking. However, issues like Find My not working or precision finding unavailable can occur, especially after iOS 18 updates. Common causes include software bugs in iOS 18.3, unstable Bluetooth connections, or crowded Wi-Fi environments. Start by resetting your AirPods by holding the setup button on the case for 15 seconds. Ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Also, verify that location services are enabled for the Find My app. Finally, check that your AirPods Pro 3 firmware is up to date through the Find My app. If problems persist, proceed to the next steps. Advanced fixes and considerations. Interference from 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands or Bluetooth overcrowding can disrupt precision finding, which requires a clear signal and line of sight within 10 meters. Since precision finding is battery intensive, ensure your AirPods are adequately charged. For unresolved issues, contact Apple support for potential hardware replacements, especially if you have Apple Care Plus, as faulty U2 chips can cause problems. AI-driven diagnostics are on the rise, and future iOS updates may offer automated troubleshooting for Find My issues. Keep in mind privacy concerns associated with Find My. If desired, disable the feature in sensitive areas.